show you how to make an adorable pop-up iced coffee card. This card will be perfect for anything like a birthday or any celebration where you want to give a gift to someone who just loves coffee. And as you can see here, I am just gluing everything together. You can watch so you know the steps, but it's a really simple card with a fun pop-up dynamic. Once you get the iced coffee mug all put together, we will put it on top of the card front and just make sure it's really secure. And then we're going to start working on the espresso and coffee beans that will go on the inside. The espresso and coffee beans are super simple to put together, and we're just going to put them on those flaps that come into the inside of the card, and that is all there is to it. And so that it will be easy to write your personal message, no matter the color of the cardstock that you use, we are going to put our little innard on the card. Just line it up and it will be ready to go. Easy peasy. Thank you so much for creating this card with me today. Be sure to check it out on the Silhouette Design Store, and I hope to see you again soon. Be sure to follow me on all social media. It is by Katherine Spencer on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.